Hey guys, and welcome to the Content Edit channel. Today I'm going to talk about some of the things that I wish I'd have known before I started blogging. These are a few ideas that I wish I'd have known and had the confidence to implement right when I started blogging over about 6 or 7 years ago. My blogging journey was around, to start with, blogging for other people before really having that confidence to start my own blog. I started with a lifestyle blog and then it's developed from there to the Content Edit. One of the things I really wish I would have known all about how to do would be create my own niche. And this is such an important thing to help you stand out online. So if you create your own niche of whatever subject you want to talk about and make them your own. So for example, when I had a lifestyle blog, for a while I talked about film, I talked about travel. That was creating a niche within the lifestyle blogging community. As in, that was what I wanted to be known as. So if people were looking for certain topics around travel or certain film, that they'd know to go to my blog. Likewise with the Content Edit now, we're creating a niche around blogging and small micro businesses, around bloggers who travel. We're sort of creating our own niche there to stand out from the crowd. This means that you know exactly what to expect when you come onto our blog, and likewise, we want to know the same when we come onto yours. The second thing I would say is to have confidence in my own writing, or for you to have confidence in your own writing. Despite having a degree in creative writing and English literature, despite knowing that I can write and having the skills and expertise, I still doubted my own ability to write. And I feel like that comes across. So if you feel confident in your own writing ability, in your own writing style, that comes across in your writing and helps the reader to really understand what you're trying to say, and it makes it more enjoyable for the reader. If you feel passionate about what you're writing about, then that passion will come across and your reader will want to come back for more and really understand what you're trying to say. A big one for me when I started a blog, and I know for a lot of people who've said to me, I'm really nervous about what people are going to think when I hit publish on that blog post. But the fact is, you can't worry about what people have to say. People will always be negative, there'll always be naysayers, and it's about removing yourself if those are people within your inner circle. Perhaps don't share as much with them. Obviously if they see it online, there's nothing you can do about that, but it's about not taking that personal, sticking with a positive mindset. And what I found is actually most people are really positive about what I'm doing, about blogging. People, when I shared my blog, they were always, I often got some great compliments, which if I had have still been scared to share with people, I would have never received those. And it also meant that by not sharing, I wasn't growing my blog. So you have to kind of just get over that fear, get over the scaredness that you might feel inside. Scaredness, is that even a word? Get over that and just do it. And if you get some negativity along the way, that's life, but the positivity, I'm sure, will always outshine the negativity. The biggest thing for me was consistency. When I first started blogging, I was not consistent at all. Over the years, I became more and more consistent. Being consistent means that people know what to expect from you. It also means if you say you're going to write a blog every single week, at the end of the year you'll have written 52 blog posts, and that's a massive amount of blog posts to add to your archive. Consistency over perfection is something you'll hear me and everyone at the Content Edit talk about time and time again. It's a massive part of my online course, Trigger Your Blog, to help bloggers become more consistent. Because once you become more consistent, you'll feel better, you'll feel more confident. Being consistent is one of the things that will catapult your blog. The last thing that I wish I'd known when I started blogging was to have a bit more fun with it. That is definitely something, and although I massively think take your blogging seriously, you can still have fun along the way. You can have fun with what you're writing, you can have fun with the content that you're creating, you can have fun with the people around you. You can still make this fun. Because when it's fun, you'll want to do it more and more. And if you make it too serious, if you make it too boring, then eventually that excitement in blogging will just fizzle out. Now, I hope you've enjoyed these 5 little tips about what I wish I'd known when I first started blogging. So remember to create your own niche, to be confident in your own writing, to not worry about what other people have to say, to stay consistent, and to have fun. If you enjoyed the video, I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!